Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning a squaring trick that can be used for numbers that end in phi. A note is that you can only use this trick for numbers that end in phi. Now let's look at an example. 65 squared. Now all we have to do is take the number or numbers before phi and multiply it with 1 plus itself. So 6 times 6 plus 1, so 6 times 7, which equals to 42. Now let's go ahead and write 42 down. Next, we take the phi. All we have to do is do phi squared, or phi times phi, so 25, and write that down. And here's our answer, 4,225. See how easy that is? Now let's look at another example. 105 squared. Now the same rule applies. Take the number or numbers before phi and multiply them with 1 plus itself. So 10 times 11. This equals to 110. So let's go ahead and write that down. Now, just like the last example, we do phi squared. So let's put the 25 over there. So that is our answer, 11,025. Now, you guys solve 1,005 squared. Remember to use the trick that we just learned and see what answer you get. Comment it down below. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thanks for watching!